Isolating medial sounds in words is a basic phonemic awareness skill. The focus is on hearing the medial or vowel sound in a word. We ask students to isolate both short and long vowel sounds in the words they hear. We use our roller coaster hand motion when we're isolating those medial sounds. We start with our right hand at the bottom. We move up to the middle for the medial or vowel sound, and then back down for that final sound. For example, if the word was map, I would start with my right hand, app. What sound did we hear in the middle? Ah. Toad, t, ode. What sound did we hear in the middle? O.